This is a lesson on the chromatic scale. The chromatic scale is a great way to learn where the pitches are on your instrument, so you know where, like say, find A flat. You can be able to find A flat very quickly and easily. First, we're going to do this written. So, if we review from the last lesson, there's no half step between B and C and E and F. So between those pitches, there's no sharp or flat. The other review is flats go down a half step, and then sharps go up a half step. So remembering that there's no half step between B and C and E and F, if we were to go up chromatically, so every note on the keyboard, from A to A, you would have A, and then A sharp would be right here. B, C, C sharp here, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then A again. That would look like this. So A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. What you should do right now is stop this video and practice going from A to A, up in sharps, up in sharps. So it's saying the musical alphabet from A back to A with every single note, so it's a chromatic scale, up in sharps. So we'll do it together once, and you need to practice this a bunch. 2, 3, 4. A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Now stop and practice this. Now we're going to go backwards. We're going to go down in flats. So what's a little weird about this, we're actually starting this A here and going to our left visually, and on your fretboard and on the piano. So A down in flats, but it reads this way. So you have A flat, G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A. And if you look again, there's no half step between C and B and between F and E. So stop the video and practice saying this backwards many times. We'll do it together once. 2, 3, 4. A flat, G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A. Okay, we're going to go C to C this time. We're going to go up in sharp, C to C. So if you need to, you can look over here and use this as a key. That can help you. So we're going to look at the piano, and we're going to go from C to C. So starting on this note right here, and ending on the same note here. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. If you need to, rewind that, do it again. Let's go down, C to C in flats. So again, use the key over here if you need to. C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C. If you don't understand what we just reviewed, rewind it, watch it again. Interact with the video. As you watch along, say it out loud. Touch the screen, point to the piano keys, pay attention. If you're not active, this is a waste of time. We're going to go from F up in sharps to F. 2, 3, 4. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F. Down in flats. Ready, go. F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F. Let's do the same thing on guitar. So we're going to go from F to F. This is on the E string. We're going to go up in sharps from F to F. 2, 3, 4. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F. Now we're going to go down, F to F in flats. 2, 3, 4. F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F. One more time, if you don't understand, rewind, watch it again, take notes, pause, make sure you comprehend what's going on. If not, we're just wasting time. This is the most important detail. You got to know that there's no half step between E and F and B and C. Don't say E sharp or F flat. Don't say B sharp or C flat. We're going to go from C on your A string to the octave C higher on your A string. So from the 3rd fret. Ready? Up in sharps. 2, 3, 4. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Let's go down, C to C in flats. C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D, D flat, C. This is a very fundamental part of music. You need to be very comfortable with this skill and know where every pitch is on your bottom 3 strings and know how to find any other pitch on the instrument. I can't stress this enough. This is such an important skill on your instrument.